Hi, Dr. G here. Thanks for watching this short video. In today's video, I'm going to answer the question, when is sciatica a medical emergency? And sciatica is most of the time caused by a disc herniation in the low back, and that's going to press on the sciatic nerve and have pain that's very sharp traveling down the leg. You can also have numbness and tingling. Now, when it's considered a medical emergency is whenever you have a condition that's very similar to sciatica. However, there are two things you want to look for that are very distinct, and this condition is called Cauda Equina Syndrome. Cauda Equina Syndrome is usually due to a disc herniation that's very large, and it's compressing on a set of nerves at the end of the spinal cord called the Cauda Equina. Now, two things that are very different from sciatica is that you may have what's called retention and incontinence. Retention means that you are unable to urinate or defecate. You can't control it. So it's preventing you from excreting any waste in your body. Now, the other thing would be incontinence, where you have no control over your bowel or bladder. So you may be doing whatever you're doing throughout the day, and all of a sudden you urinate on yourself or you defecate on yourself. And that's a medical emergency, and you need to go to the emergency room right away, because if you leave it untreated for very long, then you may have permanent nerve damage. Another thing you want to look for, the second thing, the red flag, is what's called saddle anesthesia. Now, saddle anesthesia is basically a very extreme sensation of numbness in the area of the inner thighs, the genitals, the anus, and the buttocks, the area where you would sit on if you were on a saddle. So those two things you want to make sure you look for. Whenever you have sciatica, make sure that you're not suffering from Cauda Equina Syndrome as well. So to recap, number one thing you want to look for is retention or incontinence. And number two is saddle anesthesia. So I hope the information in this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the latest videos. And also share it with people that you know are suffering from pain in the low back area or maybe suffering from sciatica. In the meantime, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And also, if you're looking for ways to treat sciatica naturally, treat low back pain naturally, make sure you head over to my website, where I have more videos like this one with more tips and more information that you can use on a daily basis.